In today's video, we will review OPPO Reno 10 Pro Plus 5G. In our review of OPPO Reno 10 Pro Plus 5G, we will explore its features and performance to help you decide if it's worth your attention. With the price tag above Rs 50,000 in India, this device aims to deliver premium smartphone experience. Design-wise, the Reno 10 Pro Plus 5G offers a sleek and premium look with rounded corners and curved edges. Its front and back panels are made up of glass, while the frame is crafted from polycarbonate material. The matte finished silvery grey option feels great in the hand, although it can be a bit slippery. Thankfully, OPPO includes a grippy silicone case in the box that will save your device from falling. The device has a 6.74-inch curved OLED display with 120Hz refresh rate. This results in smooth and vibrant visuals, making everything look stunning. The display performs well outdoors and in different lighting conditions, delivering clear and natural colors. The Reno 10 Pro Plus 5G packs a Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 SoC processor, ensuring powerful performance for gaming and everyday tasks. It comes with 12 GB of RAM and 256 GB of storage, which would be more than enough for most of the users. The phone also features enhanced cooling, preventing overheating during intense gaming sessions. The 4700 mAh battery provides excellent battery life, easily lasting a full day with heavy use and even a day and a half with moderate uses. Plus, the included 100-watt charger enables incredibly fast charging speeds, allowing you to quickly top up your battery. Running on ColorOS 13.1, which is based on Android 13, the software experience is smooth and user-friendly. However, be aware that there are pre-installed third-party apps that come with phone along with notifications that can be slightly annoying over time. Moving on to the camera performance, the Reno 10 Pro Plus 5G comes with triple rear camera setup. The primary camera is 50 megapixel that captures impressive details and accurate colors in well-lit conditions and environments. The 64 megapixel telephoto lens offers 3x optical zoom and produces excellent depth and separation. For the selfies, we have 32 megapixels front-facing camera. Selfies taken with the 32 megapixel front-facing camera look sharp and natural even in low-light situations. In terms of the video, the phone excels in recording stable 4K footage with good details and dynamic range. Low light video performance is also decent in this phone. Overall, the OPPO Reno 10 Pro Plus 5G delivers a premium smartphone experience with its powerful performance, appealing design, and a capable camera system. However, it's essential to consider its higher price point and presence of some pre-installed apps that can be annoying sometimes. We hope this review helps you make an informed decision. Share your thoughts in the comment section about this video and do not forget to subscribe to our channel for more insightful reviews.